Getting a solar and battery storage system for a small business is very different from a domestic setting. There are different needs and different demands on the power supply. We're here with Mitsa Limited in St Ives, who are a garment embroidery firm, and we're going to show you how we worked collaboratively together to get the right system for them and to save them money. This equipment uses a lot of power, but only when it's switched on, so we needed to specify the right equipment to save the business the most amount of money. Solar panels and battery storage will save your small business money, but you need to specify the right equipment. Here we've gone with an Enphase system with Enphase Micro-Inverters on the roof and an Enphase battery system in the workshop. These come with the longest warranties of any equipment on the market, 25 years on the roof and 15 years for these batteries.
The machinery that we use in our print process use an awful lot of electricity. So to generate our own electricity and have it stored in the batteries is just absolutely phenomenal for us. We're making a number of cost savings as things stand, and they're only going to get more and more as we go into the spring and we get more sunshine.